Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and switch between Goodnotes Essential and Pro plans. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Goodnotes application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Goodnotes, find the application and install it. So once you've installed and opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From where we can get started managing our documents. Right here at the bottom of the page, we have all the sections we can access, such as the plus button to create new documents and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to switch between Goodnotes Essential and Pro plans. So we're going to navigate to the menu first. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the menu option where you can go ahead and open up your settings, and here you can go ahead and view your account info. So as you can see, you're going to have your account info right here at the top of the screen by clicking view account, and it's going to enable you to go ahead and take a look at your subscription and what subscription you're using. So here, once you click on the subscription, you can go and take a look at what plan you're using, and as you can see, if you're currently in the free plan, you're going to see the option to subscribe to the essential plan. If you're in the essential plan, you can go ahead and find this option here again, but it's going to show you the cancel option. So using the cancel option, you can cancel your pro plan and return to the free plan from the essential plan. So basically, this is how you can get started switching between Goodnotes Essential and Pro plan. Just keep in mind the plans cost money to go ahead and upgrade to them, so keep that in mind. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.